By the way, new internets scheduled to come in the end of next week. I've been checking every single day. Glow Fiber is a go, go, go. I'm going to have 5 gig internet service coming in next week. I'm super excited. No more of this dial-up AOL bullshit. All right, here we go. Yes, it's gonna cost $1 million a month, and yes, you are worth it. Lalette, last chance, last call for alcohol. All right, putting that hand down. Boom, you're out of here. Anthony, congratulations on your paid member service. Glad to have you here. Anthony trying us out with our brand new weekly service. Trying to see what the hell is going on. Nice job. Glad to have you here. All right, let's see what's crack-a-lackin'. Hold on just a moment. Let me get everything squared away. Moderators, we should be live on all the things. Okay, good. Nice. Thank you. Good communication. Thank you. Okay, good feedback. Thank you. Looking good. Appreciate that. Yep, I got you. Nice. Yep, all the messages are posted. Thank you, moderators. Yep, my screen is flipped. Thank you. Appreciate that. Good eye. Good eye on that. Fictitious moderator. I like the way you're rolling. Thank you. All right, that looks good. You're right. You're absolutely right. Sound is clear, clean, crisp. Okay, good deal. Nice job, everybody.
Bots are amazing.
Yep, these bots are getting it done. Nice job. Here comes all the paid actors. Nice job. Welcome, paid actors. Appreciate you. Good to see you all. Okay, nice, nice. All right, I think we are golden now. Hold on just one second. One more chat I'm missing. What am I missing? I'm missing one. Hold on. What am I missing? Come on, coach.
Tally of the IPOs.
I'm missing Twitch. The Twitch chat. Hold on.
Man, did you get a good night's sleep last night, Coach?
Horrible. Thank you for asking. Absolutely dog shit. Here we
Man,
go.
We got posted, yeah.
Thank you for
You
asking,
said,
though.
like pet stuff today.
Yeah. Well, I'm ready to kick some ass, right?
Yes, sir.
You guys made buckets of cash yesterday. Callie, IPO news information update. Go. High budget, Dawn. Go ahead, Callie.
Love it.
There's a lot going on in this high budget production. Sounded just like a news center, didn't it? I know.
Yeah, that was good.
Pretty damn close.
It was posted.
Thank you. IPOs are posted. We appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Very nice. IPOs are posted for all of our paid members. Head on over there right now, Callie. Putting in the work. Nice. J&J over there. That's Dawn. Says, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that like button. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Everybody tune into the aftermarket yesterday? Don't say you did and you didn't, because I'm going to look right now. Don't say you
Yes,
did,
sir.
but you didn't, because I'm going to look right now. Let's take a peek. Let's see who checked out the aftermarket.
It was an amazing time.
Yes, it was. We had 300 views yesterday on the aftermarket. By the way, all of our thumbnails are going to be changing. All of our format is going to be changing. Again, always constant and forever. So watch over on YouTube. We're going to be shaking some things up.
Ain't you, Coach?
Yeah. Dawn, by the way, I'm loving the new thumbnails. I'm probably going to have you get with Carter and you two can spice up some stuff because your shit looks on fire.
He hit me up last night. We're already working on it.
Nice.
3, baby.
Yeah. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Look at all this. This is crazy. Look at these. These are fire. FOMO. No mo FOMO. Green is good. Look at this stuff, man.
Is that Gordon Gecko?
Yeah, look at these. Holy crap. Nobody provides as much value as we do. These are all lives, by the way. Look at all these videos. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look and see who watched yesterday's video. Hold on, I'm going to check out the comments. Hold on just a moment. Let's see, Dawn, are we ready?
Drum
But
roll.
as soon as I got in,
Here it comes. And these three people that I've never heard of. Nice job. That was a good lesson. Thank you. Great video on Gamma. Thank you, Chris D 3030. Follow Jesus 6146. What is a good Gamma for a person to buy? Okay, well, we'll be looking. We'll have to answer that. 3 comments, 77 views, 19 hours ago. One of our biggest videos. Oh, how do you look at this? How to use shedding strategies. One of our #1 videos. A 5-minute training video had 49 whole views and one comment from Chris D 3030. Nice job, Chris D, getting it done.
Love it.
Nice job. 49 whole views on one of the greatest videos you will ever see anywhere for free. Nice job. Way to support.
It's amazing.
Way to
how many
support.
people are
good video.
investing in their future like this, Coach.
Nice job.
It's heartening.
Yep.
YouTube
Nice
shadow
job.
banning you, Coach.
What a buzzkill for me to look at these numbers, though. Statistically, I'm calling dog shit on this. 100 views on these videos that we're giving out for free that you cannot find anywhere. To the point, ad-free, sponsored free. They don't giving you a 45-minute story at the beginning, trying to hold you on through the mid-ad roll to get paid in the middle, to throw up some bullshit, buy this training view, and then at the very end, you get 30 seconds of information. Instead, we give it right to you. That's why we're getting 80 views per pop. Nice job. Nice. Oh, collection zones breakdown. Damn, I need to watch that. What is this?
Good coach.
Damn, look at that. Mastering profit taking and halt strategies. Holy shit. If only we had that video. Oh, we did. That was a week ago. Oh, damn it. Well, you know what? If I watched that video, I'd have made a killing this morning. And yesterday, what do we have? 87 halts? Oh my gosh. We could have made so much money. 79 views. Hold on. Let's see who left a comment. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I gotta get out of here before I get frustrated, because there's 413 people in this room. Ain't none of you went over there and clicked comment, liked, subscribed, shared. You ain't doing shit. So remember this today. I want you to remember this today. When you ask me questions, we need to start freaking referring you to all this information, because I'm going to ask you. I'm going to call you out. Did you do your homework? Are you doing your, better be doing your homework? Do your homework. You understand me? Okay, good. Oh, Coach, I only want to learn when you're in the room with me. Well, that's bullshit. It's 24 hours in the day. And I'm sure most of you sleep more than I do, which is about 2.5 hours, which means you got a lot of time. Get on it. Thank you. Incredible India says you have the best videos. It's fantastic and very helpful. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. You guys are awesome.
Hey, Coach,
Yes.
can I ask you quick 2 questions?
What in the Andrew? It's 9:06. Do you have an emergency? Is this a fire? Andrew, is this a fire? What in the hell is Andrew's like, I just re-signed up at a discounted
No.
VIP member. Coach, you better answer my questions at 9:06 while you're
Nah,
trying to
Coach,
get
don't
this
put me out
program
like
ready.
that.
You better answer my questions, Coach.
Nah, it ain't like that, Coach. I'm trying to get on this stuff this time, so at least get my money worth.
Best answer I've ever heard.
No questions between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. please.
Okay. I got you. Okay, well, I'll talk to your team, Coach.
Try raising your hand.
Yeah. A hand would be nice.
No, I'm
too.
on the phone. So I'm on the phone. That's why I was like, okay, I was looking for the hand thing and I couldn't find it. So I was like, you know what?
It's not on the phone.
Oh boy. Yeah, boy. We're kind of going off the rails here. But I tell you what, Andrew, were you not here this morning, partner?
I was watching the LSD, whatever. I forgot what it's called. LS what?
You talking about Christina's LSDI?
Exactly.
I was gonna say that's what's wrong. He's on LSD too.
Yep. He don't know what button to push. He's in Rainbow
He doesn't
Land.
He doesn't know.
No.
He's
I'm
happy.
in no. No, I was just watching. That's what, I got some questions I want to ask, but we're talking to get at 10.
Are you
Just go
sure?
ahead and do
You
your-
sure you want to talk at
Yeah.
10 o'clock, not at 9:06?
It's up to you, Coach.
Do you want to hit me up at 9:08, 9:09? What are we talking about, Andrew?
Pick 912, 912.
What would you
Well,
like?
Coach,
What would you like to do today?
9:30.
I say we go ahead and answer some questions. Go ahead, Andrew.
Yeah, if he's in a trade, Coach.
He's not.
No, I'm not.
He's not at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But thank you.
No, I thought
At
you go ahead and go.
At least he's listening to the sound of Christina's voice. That's the important thing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Listen,
Yeah,
if we're gonna take this bus all the way off the mountain, let's just keep on going. Let's see what happens. Who knows? Maybe that'll get your asses in the seats to start watching those videos, since we spend so much freaking time and money. I spend a ass load of money on them videos. So Andrew, go ahead. Maybe one of your questions will drive traffic to get people to freaking do their work. So they, oh, Coach, I'm not finding success, but I ain't doing shit to help myself. Go ahead, Andrew.
No, I was watching the videos. I did
Yep.
watch some videos yesterday.
Uh-huh.
So, hey, to one question is, so back to L2, right? You see, if you look at the L2,
Uh-huh.
you see sometimes the red line is lower than the green line, and vice versa.
Yep, he's talking
So
about the
what-
graph right here, everybody.
Yeah. So
Uh-huh.
so if the green one is higher,
Uh-huh.
that means you have more buying orders. Is that correct?
That is correct. But I never look at that graph up here. Take this and flush it in the toilet. You want to know why?
Mm-hmm.
Because
It doesn't tell you. Mhm.
if there's
Go
a
ahead.
giant order sitting somewhere, it's going to askew this entire graph, and it doesn't matter to you, right? I don't give two shits if there's a seller sitting at $8 on LSDI when it's floating at $1.92, and it will make the chart look like it's offset, like, oh, there's way more sellers, I'm not getting in it. So take this
Gotcha.
graph and flush this right in the toilet. Okay?
Gotcha.
Yep. Great question, though. I really like that question. That's a good question. Now, go ahead. This was a two-parter. We got to get your VIP money's worth at that discount. You had a $500 discount.
Oh, the other one can the other one can wait.
Yeah, no.
No, the other one is basically
No, let's go. Let's keep this.
No, the
train
other
rolling.
one is basically who can help me to get those trading view scripts? Like I need to
Yep.
like.
Yep, Andrew.
Mhm.
If we have any issues in here, only you. I want you to answer my question for me. If you have
Sure.
any questions, comments, tech support, billing issues, what should you do? Nobody else answer.
Create a ticket.
Holy shit.
Hey, Andrew, there's already a ticket open for you, buddy.
Oh, shit.
By Jove, I think he's got it.
There it is. There it is. Nice job, Andrew. Listen, because you're such a good student and you're patient with me. Hold on a minute. I got something real nice for you. I want you to head over to the concession stand. Hold on a moment. I want you to head over to the concession stand, and Carter's going to hook you up with this brand new American Dream trading sticker. Can you see it?
So I'm driving right now. So
Yeah,
one
yeah.
second.
Yeah, we're going to send this to you. All it costs is $7.99 in shipping and handling, and we're going to send you this free 10-cent sticker. Deal?
Awesome. Thank you, Coach.
Yep. 14 easy payments of $29.99, and you too, Andrew, will get one of these stickers. Deal?
Awesome.
What a bargain.
Yep. Hey, I got to get that $500 back on that VIP discount. Okay. Okay, we got some hands up. Hell, let's just keep it going. Let's just keep it going. Mustang Chris, good to see you again.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
In the Gamma video,
Yes.
I had a question about it. I've almost typed it in the comments, but I didn't want to put bad info out there just in case.
Sure.
Since he bought during the Gamma candle and it was channeling between VWAP and the 200,
Yep.
could he have bought more on the VWAP bounce to put himself in a better position. So when it got to the 200, he could sell off and be in the positive.
That's a great question. So everybody that's in the room, when is the only time you can add in?
It's a winning trade.
Going your way.
Coming in your
Going
favor.
your way.
There you
Pull
go.
back.
There you go. Does that answer your question, Chris?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Well, coach, is there an exception to that if you're in a leap?
Well, that's different because if you're in a leaps, security's at the end, Ted. If you're in a leaps, it just depends. I mean, what are you doing with it? Is this a long term? Did you buy a leaps for today to scalp, but did you buy it to hold overnight? Like what's you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, I get it. I get it.
But
I don't
you-
want to make it more complicated.
No, it's okay because you can always buy anything again as long as it's going in your favor. But if your idea is to hold this for 30 years and it dips, you can buy it when it's going against you, right? We talk about this all the time. There's a difference between day trading, where we only buy when it's going in our direction. But if we're swing trading overnight long term, we can always add in because what is the percentages, everybody, that I will dollar cost average into a losing trade on a hold? Go on a long term.
5, 10, 15.
There it is, 5, 10, 15%. Whoever answered this first, I want you to head over to the concession stand. Go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Carter's going to set you up with one of these beautiful American Dream trading stickers that says people helping people. It's only going to have 14 easy payments of $17.99, and we will send this out to you right away, okay? That covers all shipping and handling, and we'll even send it to a P.O. box. Forget it. We'll just go out. We'll just go out and go crazy on it, okay?
14 easy payments.
Yep, 14 easy payments, $17.99 for this 10-cent sticker. Deal? It's the best deal you're going to get right there, okay? And if you get this sticker and you place it anywhere near your monitor, it'll make you a better trader.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you had supply chain issues on that, I think.
Yeah, that's why, the shrinkflation. If you guys wait a week, it's going to be about a tenth of this size, and it's going to be 34 easy payments. Yeah. You guys know the rule. If you get a cool sticker and you throw it on your car, it goes faster. The same thing happens with trading. If you load up
Thanks,
a bunch
Joe
of
Biden.
if you load up a bunch of these stickers and you slap it all over the place, you too can become a better trader. Results not guaranteed, not financial tax or investment advice, but just something to think about, okay?
Man, you're on a roll this morning, coach.
Yeah. Just trying to let you guys know, just trying to keep it real over here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. No regrets by joining American Dream Trading. Put that on a damn bowling ball. No regrets. All right. Does anybody
Keeps
else?
it real.
Yeah. Does anybody else have any questions, comments?
Thanks everybody for stalling. I'm
One-
good now, coach.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Thank you. All right. You guys ready? Yeah. I was just waiting for Bruno to get in here because he's been waiting for waiting on weather.
Got a thunderstorm rolling in the area. They're still thinking about it. Okay, cool.
Yep. Thank you. Okay. In the biz, by the way, this is where we're stretching time. If I was behind the curtains, right, I would be giving you this symbol. This right here. Done is we're stretching the time, and now we're all set. Okay, everybody ready? Here we go. They really just thought I was being absolutely redonkulous. All right. Apple to the upside. Everything coach does is always for a reason. You may not know what it is, but there's always a reason for everything. Okay. Apple. We're looking at okay. All right. $1.90 and 25 cents on Apple, just to get a little break above 190. To the downside, though, I like it better here. I think we might be able to get in a little early. Let me see if this is accurate. No, it's not. Hell no. $1.89 and 85 cents. Moderators, I got it. AMD. I think we can get in this one early. How about SPY closing at a record high yesterday? Yeah, so nice. So nice. But if you get on the news, the market's crashing. Everybody hang on. Never going to be the same. Stupid. Shut up,
Coach,
buddy.
they said it was not due to anything but the memes.
Yeah, right. Like the memes are driving the entire $1 trillion market. That would be the kids in suits saying that garbage. Okay, AMD, 160. Oh man, I like it better here. 162.10 up. I know it's a weird number. Don't care. I like it. Downside, 160 and 40 cents. Amazon. Sorry, just trying to get all of our paid members taken care of so they don't get mad because I'm watching all our paid members. By the way, we have about 3,000, 4,000 paid members, and we had 66 views on our last video. So I know they're doing their homework. So since they're doing all their work, I better show up and do mine. It's a give and take. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. Okay, Amazon. 186.15 up. 185. Oh, 185.23. I'm sorry, 25. Sorry, Bruno, down. Google. All right, let's see. Google. 174.15 up. 173 and 70 cents down. How about crypto yesterday? You guys remember I said as long as the crypto market looks good, then as long as the stock market itself looks good, to make sure you guys are in crypto. Crypto yesterday, record high day. Nice job, everybody. Congratulations. I posted all of it in the membership lounge, so hopefully you guys are paying attention. Okay, good. Mara, $20, so above $20 to the upside. Nice job. Record day for crypto yesterday. If you paid attention and you listened to the sound of my voice, you are all set now. $19.60 down. We'll get this a little pull. Look at this yesterday. There's MSTR. 16% close. $205 on MSTR. Right there, you could have retired off this one trade, right? 1,000 contracts, MSTR. That's $6-7 million, right? Maybe a little more. 10 million? Probably 10 million. Okay. Nice job. Let's see. Meta. Meta. My dog's over there snoring away. Can you guys hear? Little baby doggy. Meta. 477. Can you guys hear her snoring?
Yeah.
Pumpkin is out cold, man. She's laying over underneath my other table, just out. Groomers yesterday. She had a tough day. She had to get bathed. 475.50 down. Microsoft.
What was up, Coach? Sorry.
Yep, 1 second. Let's see. Meta was...
I didn't hear it.
Yep, 477 up, 475.50 down.
All right.
Thank you. Microsoft. Yeah, I like it here. It's pretty high, but I don't care. I like it. Man, so close. Let's just go all the way with that one. 423 up. It's coming up on a major level of support right here. So we're going to go to the next one. 421.35 down, and it could pull that before the bell rings. So please be careful of that. Remember, the first 1 to 3 minutes is the most volatile time of the day. Thank you. Netflix, all over the place. Please be extra careful. Netflix has been real spicy. If you're not a professional trader, it's not for you anyways at $600 a share. Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. It's not made for you. Okay, Netflix, 618 up, 613 down. Yes, it is a $5 range. NVIDIA yesterday, 3.6%. She was a runner. Hit pre-market at $955. We're almost to that $1,000 mark again. I've been calling NVIDIA since the day I walked in the door, telling you exactly why I loved it, why it was going to be the leader of AI, and this is all you hear about every single day. NVIDIA, 952. I get in this early. I think we get in this way early. 951.50 up. 948.50 down. Qs. Again, market closed all-time highs yesterday. Qs. Let's see, 453. Yeah. Nope. 453.75 up. This is a lot of chop up here. I'm going to make this huge. Huge. Right there. 452.50 down. Soxal. 47. Nope, we get in that early. 47.50 up. That's so close. 46.80 down. SPY. SPY pulling back after the super run in the pre-market. SPY 530.50 up. Just be careful because you see it high right there, 80. 529.50 down. Last one, Tesla. Don't forget the digital thank you cards are available, and also make sure to tip your moderators because I'm sure you guys are going to be doing a great job with that. Just don't do as good of a job as you are with your homework watching those YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you do. Don't do that good of a job. I'd like the moderators to get a little extra money in their pocket. Thank you. Okay. 174.20 up on Tesla. 173.20 down. All right, that's it. That's all the pre-market. Nice job, everybody. Congratulations. Welcome all of our new members. Appreciate that. We let's see. We've got another person right here. Yariv, welcome. I see you just signed up for a premium membership. Congratulations. Love your face. Yep. Okay, good. All right, good. We're good to go. We are about 4 minutes to the bell. Remember, everybody, please try to hold off your questions, though, seriously, until after 10 o'clock. The only reason is because from 8:45, we're trying to do the pre-market. We're discussing the IPOs. We got all the paid members coming in, trying to get the show going. We go live at 9. I'm trying to get you guys all the information of where you can sign up and what we do. The bell rings at 9:30. From 9:30 to 10 is the busiest trading time of the entire day. So we try to answer the questions after 10. If it's an emergency, you need help right away, ignore all that and just let me know, all right? Okay, good. For those of you that are tuning in and you're like, holy crap, this guy's serious, you bet your ass. This is not just another place where you get to hang out and Discord and all that and don't, no. I want you guys to be serious. I want you guys to be laser focused. I want you guys, right, to take advantage of what we're doing here because no place has ever done what we're doing. So I really want you guys to be laser focused when you join us. Treat this like your job. Now, remember, we can have fun at our jobs. We can always have fun, right? So thank you. Do me a favor if you would. Everybody that's watching right now, click on that like and make sure you subscribe or follow. Make sure you guys tune in tonight to the aftermarket We should have 3,000 at least watching the aftermarket, not 300. Get over there. Make sure you guys are doing it. Also, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and watch the videos. They are all 100% free. And when I mean free, I mean absolutely free. Get over there. We have over 2,000 videos. We have playlists set up to get you the information faster, because it's not fast enough already being ad-free, marketing-free. It just gets you right in there. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Dom, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. Love your faces. Appreciate everybody being here. Thank you again to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Special shout out to my son, my dog. She looks like she's pinned in there. It's crazy. Again, thank you to my son, Air Force, 8 years. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hey, Coach, the
Hell
aftermarket.
yeah, let's roll, y'all.
Thank you.
Hey, Coach, the aftermarket yesterday was exceptional.
Okay.
Rossi asked a great question of
Excellent.
the panel.
Yep. We'll discuss it after 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Yep. I only got one more minute. If you guys want to sign up for anything that we're doing here, again, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Our memberships start at $50 a week. So if you've been on the fence, you've been interested to try, it's only $50. You get immediate access to Zoom. There's 528 people in the Zoom right now. You'll also get access to the pre-market setup, which we just went over, the IPO Center, videos on demand, and the membership lounge. All of that is included, and you get access to Zoom at 8:45 from market open to market close. If you're ready to step it up, get the VIP membership. You're going to get all the workshop classes for free, all the trading view indicators. You're going to get masterclass training with me starting at 8:15 every day. You're going to get all the masterclass advanced videos that are in there. I believe we have over 50 of those right now. Market's going to go off in about 25 seconds. And all the workshop classes absolutely free. If you want more training or you want to get weekend training, we have the VIP Gold membership. That is an add-on. You can only get if you're a VIP member. You'll get all the mastermind classes for free. We have a brand new mastermind class coming up next month. You're also going to get 1 hour of tech support, priority help desk support, VIP Gold Lounge access, and the news service and any breakout rooms that we do. Here we go, everybody. Let's have an amazing day. Make sure you follow all the rules. Remember, here at American Dream Trading, we are not financial advisors or tax advisors or investment advisors. This is all for training and education purposes only. Make sure our callouts are clear and concise. Let's have an amazing day and nobody go rogue. Love your faces. All right, SPY getting a nice pop. Why? Because it dipped in the pre-market leading to the bell, which is opposite of driving up to the bell and then pulling back on the sell back. Oh my, nice job. Nice job right there, everybody. Congratulations, everybody. Yesterday, I believe we had another $1 million day here at American Dream Trading and profits for our members. Appreciate it. Nice job, everybody. And no, it wasn't off AMC and GME. We do this shit every single day. Checking, scouring, just checking everything right here. I can see SPY is flat. Qs are pulling back. NVIDIA's pulling way back on NVIDIA. Massive pullback. Look at NVIDIA crashing out.
Same with Tesla.
Thank you.
Folks, we got 2 stocks done suspended. DJDZG and LSDI.
Okay, thank you. SPY still to the upside. Apple holding on strongly above our pre-market at 190.24. It came down and touched it, popped up. NVIDIA looks like it found support at 944. We'll see if it's going to continue to collapse or if this is true support at 944. Oh, I see it right here. Why it stopped right here. Tons of information right there off of 944.
Peggy is running like a whore.
Which one?
Peggy.
Peggy?
P-E-G-E.
Okay, thank you.
P-E-G-Y. Yep.
Yep. PEGY running 82%. PEGY, we called this out in VIP this morning. PEGY 80%. 151 million volume. Moving up nicely. PEGY. CYN also moving up. Watch for this double top here around 1650. That's 1650. Keep an eye on that one.
Amazon broke above pre-market but couldn't hold. Still on a second green 2 minute.
Thank you. Here we go. Weed stocks. Canopy growth. 3.3%. Perfect. Perfect for small accounts. Perfect for small accounts. Right here.
Mara, first green, EWO, Bitcoin climbing.
Thank you. CGC.
Microsoft, huge green candle. First green 2 minute.
Thank you. CGC. Keep an eye on that one. Clove also moving up. CLOV. Penny stock under $1 over here. All weed stocks look like they're getting a nice move. ACB also as well moving. Nice, nice. Carnival Cruise Lines is up 1% this morning. Also nice for smaller accounts. $15 share right here. Carnival Cruise Lines, nice stair stepper. Keep an eye on that. So NVIDIA never fell below 944. SPY found support at 529.68. Q's at 452.53 was support. SPY though is, look at SPY right here. It's at the 200 and VWAP. Dangerous area. Very dangerous. Keep an eye on that as well.
ASTS is picking up a lot of volume.
Okay, thank you.
It's already 44% up.
Thank you. DJT. DJT, I expect this thing is probably going to move pretty well today off the announcement that the two presidents are going to be going head to head in a controlled environment only by CNN and two people that hate one of the presidents. And there will be no crowd there. We'll see.
From yesterday, I believe
Go ahead.
AWIN from yesterday,
yes,
it halted to the upside.
Oh, nice. Nice, nice. AWIN down 5%. But it is on a nice move to the upside. Great call on that. We'll see if that continues to get volume. Be careful at that $6 mark. And let me see what this is. Yeah, around 635 as well. See it right here, partner?
Yeah.
Yep, so 6 and
635. Okay.
Yep, those are two big areas for it, okay?
Thank you, coach.
Yep, a good call out. I love it. Oh, here we go. Walmart. Walmart having a super sale over here. Looking nice. We're around a triple top, quadruple top. Right here, if this can break the 64 level, you're going to be in business on Walmart.
Yeah, coach, we covered that in earnings, and we kind of predicted it would be positive based on the other retails.
Nice job. Let's see what it's going to do. That's the Walmart moving up.
Amazon popped up fast.
Thank you. Thank you for that follow over there on ADT Coach. TikTok, I see that. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Are you trading on TradingView? No, I'm charting on Webull.
Hot stocks, coach. Hot stock PEGYs. Moving up.
PEGY. Yep, thank you.
Okay.
Continuing to climb. PEGY 87%. Thank you.
Also, coach, one to keep an eye on is ASTS, up 42%.
ASTS. Okay, thank you. Nice, nice. Let me put that up over here. Apple. What do we got here? Apple new high a day above the 200. Looking nice.
Hey, Coach.
Above VWAP? Yes.
Just the ASTS is a huge contract with AT&T for satellite delivery of services, kind of like Starlink.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you.
Pretty big announcement.
Nice, nice. ASTS right now is crashing. Be careful. We'll keep an eye on that today, though.
Just gotta stop selling.
Apple, 2-minute EWO. Apple gang, where you at? You're loving life.
Waiting for the confirmation.
Thank you.
Because that was a little baby double top right there at the 190.66 area.
Oh, nice. Yep.
I'm
Coach,
joining
yesterday, FFIE. Is I
FFIE
AMD,
previous
Coach.
hot stock pick. There you go. There's your Apple confirmation. Broke well above
Yes, sir.
190.65 from the previous day high. Nice job, David and the Apple gang. Nice job getting it done.
AMD, first green EWO.
Thank you. Apple is just crushing it.
An apple a day keeps the 9 to 5 away.
Absolutely. Do you guys remember when everybody was acting like Apple was so down and out? iPhone sales are down. Apple's not going to make it. I'm like, what are you guys talking about? You guys are stupid, right? Do you guys remember all that when the whole world was like, it's going to crash, and all the suits are like, don't buy Apple. Here we are.
Warren Buffett sold.
Yeah, here we are, almost the right brand new record high of Apple ever. These guys, these little kids in the suits crack me up. I got a brand.
Every time I hear that, I'm like, what am I trading on? I'm trading on an iPhone.
Right. It's just
Video, first green EWO.
Thank you. Oh, it's gonna crash. It's all gonna crash.
Hey, Coach.
Yep. Talk to me.
Can you say that Tesla right now is in a double bottom?
Which one?
Tesla,
Let me look.
is that a double bottom, right? A small one?
Yes, it is. Yep. Good call.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Let me see what's going on. Let me see if there's previous information here that can help us too, right? And see.
Those tariffs, I wouldn't see that bullish.
All right, let's see. Yeah, the China tariffs that we've been waiting 3.5 years to finally get. Those ones, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yep, thanks. Getting after it today. You guys better watch your asses. 171.50 is what you're looking for the Tesla to break down to the downside. Here we go.
Thank you.
Yep, absolutely. Wait for that break and hold below 171.50, and then you can hammer that pig, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, good. Good eye, too. I love the way you saw this. Think about it. If you would have got FOMO and you would have jumped right here, right, you'd have immediately gone red and went, wait a minute, why? And this is a double bottom situation. Double bottoms. This is actually calls, even though we're against the grain. We just know it's more dangerous, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Video, second green EWO. AMD, second green EWO.
Thank you. Apple looks like it hit 191 and tanked. 191 and then pulled way back. How far are you going back? Way back. Artificial Paint says late today, but I had to sleep. No worries, partner. Glad to have you here, though. Nice job. Thank you, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here. Appreciate everybody. Thank you. NVIDIA, good call out on that, by the way. Mark, nice.
AMD is tapping on the pre-market.
Yep, I see it. You guys know when we start saying NVIDIA and AMD for smaller accounts, you should be watching Soxel, right? SOXL for small accounts. Yes? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Tesla still bounced off this double bottom, 171.50. Still waiting to see what the setup's going to be, but that is a double bottom bounce. If you guys go and watch my videos, I have a video for this that all 87 of you watched, studied, and mastered. Thank you.
SMCI is at it again, coach.
Thank you. Oh, what do you know? I typed in double bottom American Dream Trading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 training videos on it. Okay. Nice. So nice. Did you guys watch all 12? No, you didn't. Some of you watched this one, though. This one had 1,300 views. Can you guys see all the training videos? I literally typed in double bottom American Dream Trading. Look how many training videos we have. Can you guys see these? Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Look at
Yes,
it.
coach.
There you go. Okay. Nice.
Gotta watch those.
Yep. Every day. You're supposed to be watching it. Here, I'm going to clue you guys into on how to get to this information. That's absolutely free, by the way. If you go over to our Discord, let me show you. Hold on. Feel like we're in training day over here for people. New videos on the Discord. Can you guys see the channel underneath the ADT community, which is absolutely free to everyone? This is every video we have ever released at exactly when we release them. It lights up on your Discord. You know, the one you guys are ignoring. How do I know that? Because we should have over 100 views on each video. Can you see this information?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Every day. Every day. We release
Watch them all the time.
5 to 7 videos a day we release. Every day. Okay, good. Nice. Take advantage of that. That's a lot of information. Get over there. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like, share, and comment on the videos. Thank you. Tesla. This is a double bottom. If you would have watched one of my 11 videos and or been a part of the training that I do daily, you now have made bucket loads of cash and could easily have paid for your VIP, VIP Gold, one-on-one memberships, all masterclass, all workshops. Now you're loving life. Now you're paying down debt. Now you don't have as much responsibilities. Now you don't have to worry about work as much. Now you can get more training and education. Now you have more dollar bills, y'all.
Hey, coach.
You want to know what to do with all that money, Freddie?
No, I want to know. We have to be careful now with Tesla. It's a big whoop and it's 6 green candles straight, right?
Yes.
So can
right.
apply the 5 to 7 candles and plus it's close to big whoop, right?
Right, but as long as you stay above VWAP, you don't have to worry at all, right?
Okay, okay.
So did anybody make any money off the Tesla double bottom, which is, by the way, my second favorite trade to do in the world, and I talk about it every day. Did anyone make money?
Yes, sir.
I did, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Marky Mark, I know you did.
Yes, coach.
You're always listening. Hence why Marky Mark's made over $7 million in profits. You want to know why? He listens. Nice job.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep, yep.
You guys
Okay.
want to look at check MGNI. MGNI.
MGNI.
Yes.
Let's take a peek. Yep, nice call out. Good, nice little stair stepper. Nice.
Yeah, I
call.
was got twice.
Yes, nice job. Who was that called that out? Who was that, masked man?
That's me, Ophir.
Nice job, Ophir.
Nice job.
Listen, if you head over to our concession stand, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, you too can get one of these stickers. You hear me? Get over there. All right. Right now, if you do it now, we can do this of 15 easy payments of shipping and handling of $14.99 for this 10-cent sticker. We'll send it right to your house directly. Okay.
Coach NVIDIA, New Hire Day.
All right. Thank you. Yep. We'll have it to your house in about 14 days using the slowest mail service we can for 14 easy payments of $29.99 if you do it now. Okay.
Only if it's a scratch and sniff.
Yeah, it is. It actually is. It smells like our American Dream Trading butter. Yep, good call. Or cheddar, as DT likes to call it.
Smells like money.
Yep, absolutely. And there you go. Tesla staying above VWAP. It tried to break right here through with a little toe that nobody got scurred on and stayed above. Nice. That is a double bottom bounce. Glorious. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So nice. Now, when you asked me about that, Freddie, anybody who was not in this room, I promise you, got FOMO on this Tesla crash, would have bought puts down here, not knowing what to look for. Then you would have got your faces ripped off and you would have sold for a loss. Am I right?
You're always right.
Yes,
Not
sir.
always, but we try. Not always. There was
That's
that
the bottom bounce too.
Yeah. There was that one time in 1977 when I was 4 years old when I thought you could stick your finger into a light socket, and you cannot. And you cannot. Okay?
Ouch.
Yep, you cannot do that. All right, Don?
Use the key.
Why can't you?
Use a key.
Paperclip.
Wasn't being stupid. That was being educational.
Yes, it was. That's old school right there. Right?
You mean you can't stick your tongue in it?
Yeah, when your dad
Hey,
just
sport.
sits, right?
Yeah, I was about to say, if you were dumb, you would have put your tongue in it. So
Yeah. Well, back then, if you guys remember, right, that's when your parents sit by and go, no. Let them figure it out.
I actually did it when I was 4 years old. I stuck my dad's keys in the socket.
There you
Oh
go.
boy.
There you go.
my brother did it, and his hand was like black for a week.
Oh,
My hand was black. Yep.
Wow.
It was my first pullback.
Wow.
Which I think you were right. 110's way better than any energy drink.
Yes. Yeah. It'll light you up. It'll light you up real quick.
My son did it with 220 in Spain. It was great.
No, not great.
No.
Yeah, it was. It was.
Just remember, though. Just remember, I'm sure all my electricians will back me on this. It really has nothing to do with the volts. It's the amps, right? So
Welders will wake you up.
yeah, you can have a
Yeah,
110 that's
correct.
super amped and it'll kill you, or a 110 that barely puts out anything and ain't gonna do shit.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yep, it's all about amps, baby. You get in the wrong amperage and bye bye. What do I know? What do I? I'm just an old man sitting in this room spinning tunes like a DJ,
Yeah, but can't let go of it.
telling funny jokes, ha ha, funny ha ha, like a clown, making you laugh.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
in the casino world, you get a new slot tech, and you tell them reach back and release the hopper when it was coins.
Oh,
And if you push the hand back too far, you get zapped.
yeah.
And everyone has to get zapped. But the bad problem was when you came out of there screaming,
Yep.
you hit the door handle, which was still
Hit you again. Yeah. It was like that arcade systems too. You had to be really careful. Yep. Because the whole thing's open. Everything is lit up. You know, everything is live in there. You get them in there digging around for quarters and crap.
Apple's testing a double top, which you gotta watch out at 191.
Oh, thank you. Great call out. Listen to David keeping us on point. He's had enough of your clowning. Enough of your clowning. The Apple Bottom Gang's about to make money. We don't give two shits about your terrible jokes, Coach. It's money time.
SINT to the upside.
Oh, we got Dawn in here. That's when you know it gets
Yeah,
serious.
Dawn.
Yep. You know it's serious when Dawn's in here calling stuff out, calling out these bangers at 15% on previous hot stock pick SINT. Yeah.
Booyaka!
Booyaka. Brapa.
Yeah.
Looking real nice. I can't believe they pay that guy. It's so stupid. Right? I see that crowd. It's a show. It's just a show. Nobody's
Stop
making
it.
it. Nobody's making any money. It's just a show.
BMTX is on a double top, moving up quick.
Thank you. Good call out. BMTX. Yeah. Yeah.
Coach, I just came up with a nice little beat to put behind some stuff. You know I'm not using any YouTube no more, right?
Yep. I hear you. Yeah, because by the way, the last 2 lives you did got dinged.
How is that?
I have no idea. They love us. Apple. Here goes Apple running again above 191. See if it can hold up here. Double top. New high a day. Apple. BMTX. Double top right here. A lot of sellers at 314 on BMTX. See the L2? Careful on your double top. What's my favorite trade in the whole world? Can anybody tell me for a shiny sticker? Yep.
Double top or double bottom?
Yep. But my no.
Recording in progress.
Oh, we lost him.
He's back. Back by popular demand.
Hey, coach. When you get back on, just whisper. You're talking too loud. The internet can't handle it.
Yeah, the internet can't handle it. Look at that Apple. Now look at this. Oh my gosh.
You really
Now
know
look
she
at this. Look. What is my favorite trade?
Double top.
Yep. And look at aren't those both textbook? Oh.
Yep.
Yeah.
Boy, that's a nice setup right there. Woo-wee. My favorite setup, especially when it breaks pre-market or hits the previous day high, hits the ceiling, and then just drops like a knife because everybody's looking at that gold level, and it is so glorious. Yes. Yes, it is. All right. Keep it going, everybody. You got this. I have faith in you.
Who goes when you're high there?
Oh, there's Nana. Nana just woke up, everybody. That's Nana right
I've
there.
been here for a while, just
that's
been
Nana
quiet.
right there, everybody. Okay, now we're ready. Now we're ready. The whole gang's here. We're cooking with gas now.
I've been here since 6:15.
Nana's been here since 2 a.m. Eastern time. All right, we're ready. Oh, wow. Look at this. CGC. Please tell me somebody got in on this. I called this 87,000 times this morning when it was around this 10. Oh, I marked it. 1017. See it?
I'm in.
Yes.
I'm in.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Woo. I marked it right when I called it just to see how much it ran. Wow. I told you guys weed stocks were on the move. Look at that. ACB, mooning. Sundial, mooning. What did I say? Tilray, mooning. Didn't I call this earlier? Come on, man.
4-minute shipping.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Nice job. That joke was good. No one caught it. Yeah, a lot of them will sneak through there. It's okay. It's all right. I just do it to keep everybody guessing. Apple double top pullback. Perfect execution. Check it out. That's glorious.
Fed governor start speaking at the top of the hour.
Okay, thank you.
Former hot stock FFIE just took off.
Thank you. And there we go. Check it out. If you guys want more learning and education about what I'm talking about right now, if you would have typed in double top American Dream Trading, here is 9 videos. 9 videos talking about double top, what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. All right here. Double tops, triple tops. Man, this is nice. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Double top. Spotting knife drops and reviewing candle patterns. Jeez. I wonder if that one.
Make sure you add American Dream Trading in that search because double top might get you something else.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Take it easy. We're not talking about the dark web now. Everybody be cool. Don't worry. Ted will be here all week. All week. There it is. I got you, brother. Very nice.
I about lost my drink.
Oh, boy. Not good. Look at what you've done. Now we got to put out labels, right? Not
AMD
financial
double
tax,
top.
not financial investment or tax advice. And be careful if you're drinking hot drinks while listening
Or
to
comedy
this
advice.
program.
Yeah.
Yep.
I spill milk out of my nose, Coach, and I don't even have any milk.
What? I don't even know what's going on. I don't know what just happened here. All I know is Apple double topped, pulled back to support on VWAP, and now it looks like it's making a move back to the upside. Keep an eye on that.
AMD, new higher day.
Thank you. AMD. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. Same thing. Let's take a look at Soxel. All of them still staying up nice. All of them still staying up nice and neat. Nice, nice. By the way, Ted, the new Apple iPad Pro M4s are really nice.
FFIE hit a new high and halted up.
Thank you. FFIE, 65%. Previous hot stock pick has halted to the upside. Here you go, Ted. I got it right next to me. You ready? So you see if you can see us. Oh. Can you guys see this? There's the new iPad Pro 13 M4 edition with the new Magic Keyboard and Apple Pro Pencil. And here
Apple crashing down. Sorry.
Christina.
Sorry.
How dare you? And then
I'm excited. I got excited.
Okay. And then here is the brand new Apple iPad Pro 11-inch M4 new the new Magic Keyboard right there. So if you guys have questions, you can ask me later. Thank you.
Is that the David edition?
It is. Actually, it is. Yep.
Shift change.
Shift change rolling in. Okay, thank you.
The damages on one of those iPros. iPad.
I believe the 11 Wi-Fi version starts at, correct me if I'm wrong, $9.99, and I think the 13 is $12.99 starting out. These are a little more because these are the cell versions, the 512 gig. So with the keyboard, the pencil, everything, will set you back about $2,100 for this model. If you spec it all the way out with a nanotech glass, all the trimmings, 2 terabyte, that's going to set you back $3,000. So they're not cheap, but I use them every day, all day. If I'm not in my Apple Vision Pro, I'm on my iPad. So I use it constantly.
Yeah, Coach. Over the years, I mean, I've been using tablets since the 2000s with the Microsoft products.
Yep.
But I really come to the conclusion that the iPads are so great for consuming data, and the laptops are great for producing data. But now you've got this all-in-one kind of thing that you have the Magic Keyboard. You can do both.
Yeah, it's about 90% of all of your day-to-day, right? About 90%. If you're a programmer, video editor, you can still video edit in Final Cut Pro. Yeah. It's just not as powerful. You can use DaVinci Resolve. There's other things you can do with it, but it's not as powerful, obviously. But it'll get you about 95%. So for most of the population, it does everything you want. Unless unless you need heavy coding, 3D modeling, which you can do some with this. You can't do all, obviously. But there's give and takes, but it's almost there. And everybody's always like, well, why don't they just make it with a Mac OS? Because then there wouldn't be a laptop. It would completely cannibalize the laptop product, and Apple doesn't want to do that. That's the only reason you don't see it, and I've been saying that for over a decade. There would be no more laptop. This has an M4 processor. This is more powerful than the Apple, the M2 processors in the MacBooks. All right. Apple still sitting on VWAP here, trying to make up its mind. Soxel up here on its ceiling. Soxel needs to break that 47.50 to really get new high. Qs.
Google, coach.
Yep, thank you. Qs are flying here. About to cross over. Yeah, Google's beautiful. Qs up on resistance.
Tesla.
All right, here we go. There must be some news data come out. Market's crashing.
Fed governor speaking.
Thank you. I can see Apple pulling SPY, Qs, NVIDIA. Everything's pulling a bit right here. Be careful. CAN, by the way, Canaan is up 13% now. Beautiful. Like I said, all those wheat stocks, nice and juicy. Walmart, we called that earlier, is now at its peak here. Triple top around 64. You want to see Walmart break that 64 level, everybody, okay? Sundial, new high a day. Tilray, new high a day. Boeing, just a stair stepper. How big, larger accounts? Look at Boeing.
Tesla getting to a double top.
Thank you. Look at that on Boeing.
Hey, what's the news with Boeing?
Oh,
We probably went one day without bad news.
Yeah.
Nothing fell off an airplane.
Hold on, I got to mute all these mics. Somebody's going crazy. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's at the 200.
2-minute EWO too.
Thank you. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, second 2-minute EWO on Tesla. I can tell you, okay, so right here, I want to explain something to you. So right now we're at a 2-minute EWO. I don't buy this until the break of this 200 MA. Can everybody see this?
Yes.
So
Yes, coach, of course.
Yep. So even though right here everybody's, yeah, but coach, it's your rule is as long as it's higher than a previous candle. Wrong. You are in a critical area. This is a critical area. I don't want to touch this thing until it breaks above. Why? Because we already know the 200 MA is one of the largest levels of resistance out there next to VWAP, right? Good. There's another master class for you. Don't worry.
TikTok's down.
Thank you. Don't worry. I'm sure you guys will go watch it when we post it.
The SPY's looking like the same setup, Coop.
Thank you.
I was just walking to VWAP and channeling.
Thank you. Going back on live right now. Thank you for letting me know.
Hey, coach, we can add to that is a double top too.
Yeah, it is
On Tesla.
That is correct. So this is a double top. But I'm telling you, even if it wasn't a double top, I wouldn't touch this thing until it broke that major level of resistance, right? I just wouldn't do it. There's no reason. And this though, this right here, this exact setup is why you will hear people, coach, but I got in the 2-minute EWO and it went against me. Well, no shit. Look where you got in at, right? At some point, you guys have to start putting a lot of this together, right? If we're on a resistance level, what does it typically do on resistance? Pulls back. So why the hell would I be buying calls on a pullback? Look at SPY. I told you the market was crashing right there. I hope you guys heard me when I said that. Yes?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, we did, coach.
Thank you. Good.
Hey, coach.
Yes.
Bob climbing to the upside.
Oh, yep. Thank you. 3.5% on Alibaba, BABA. Thank you. Look at NVIDIA. Wow. Huge crash. Huge.
Coach, I caught that NVIDIA crash just after the 200 cross. Love it.
Oh, nice job. Nice job. And this is why I said I knew something was going on when I saw the whole market blink out like that, right? Hopefully you guys heard me. I'm telling you, if you heard me, you are really set up now. I said, and you can hit that rewind button. I said the whole market is crashing. Somebody's on the news saying something, didn't I?
Sure did. 2,500 on that.
Oh, wow. Nice job. Look at that. And just like that, your whole entire VIP membership's paid for a whole year on one trade, right? Done. Done. Am I right? That's a year of VIP training, right?
Yep. Done.
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 Yeah, done.
Done.
Done and
What'd
done.
they say? An asteroid's coming? Holy crap.
Yeah, I know, right? It's just total destruction. Now, real quick, and I see your hand, Daniel. Hold on 1 second. Right here again on this Tesla. This is exactly why I'm talking about this. Oh, but coach, the 2-minute EWO was all set up. Look at Baba blasting off. Good call on that, Baba. This is what I'm talking about. Now, this can find some legs again, right? And it can run up. But here's what I don't want. This is what I don't want. I don't want you to have gotten in the trade on the 2-minute here. Now you're bleeding out, right? You're waiting for it to return. You might be bleeding all the way to VWAP. But coach said if it's not below VWAP, stay in it. You got in at such a wrong time. The whole thing is blowing back here on you. You're losing money constantly. You're trying to figure out what the hell to do right now when you should have waited till this critical area here to get into the upside. Am I right?
100%, coach.
Yeah, but coach, I followed your 2-minute rules to the exact T and it doesn't work.
No, we got to combine it.
Except for support and resistance levels.
Exactly, except for common sense that says if you buy right here, I don't care what's going on, you're going to get your face wrecked. Yes, except for that. Right.
That's the missing element, coach.
It is. Don't worry, we have a video on it. 63 of you saw it. Nice job.
Look at SPY what it's doing.
Nana saw it.
Very dangerous.
Nana saw it. You guys want to know how I know Nana saw it?
Saw what?
You guys
Double
want
top,
to
double
know
bottom,
how I know
careful
that
with
she saw
SPY?
that video, that training video on YouTube? Do you guys want to know how I knew?
Because she's been trained
Because
by
you're a
double
genius.
bottoms.
Because she left a comment on it, not.
Stop it.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, snap.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, lets me know who's
Coach,
paying
that video's going
attention.
back up.
That, what
He's
is
not
that?
stopping, y'all. Watch those videos. He's not stopping.
Yeah, I'm not. Listen, we do so much work on those, right?
I know.
I'm behind the scenes at 11 o'clock talking to our content
Sorry,
creators.
coach. I've been trading
social
Tesla. So
media
I'm a little bit busy
managers,
right now.
social media managers, content creators, trying to get all this stuff going. And I'm like, hey, make sure that thing is just absolutely smooth for the 14 people paying attention to it. Thank you. Thank you for putting in all that overtime. Okay, right here. I don't know why I'm not finding success yet. I swear to God, if somebody says that to me, I'm gonna go right to the YouTube video where you're talking about it, and I'm gonna look for your name and make sure you left a comment. You hear me? I'm coming for you. Maybe that should be the rule, Dom. Maybe that'll spike interest. If you ask a question, I'm gonna go over to YouTube, find the video. I'm gonna look for your name that left a comment. Great video, coach. Am I right?
Hey.
Yep. I'm coming for you today,
That's why we
ladies and
watching.
gentlemen. Yep. I'm all hyped up. I'm all hopped up.
Can have instruction all day.
Yep.
Up to Mountain Dew, Chip.
Yep. That's right. I'll jump up and spider. What does he say? I'll sister kick you in the back of the head.
You gotta cut back on the LSD, coach.
I know, LSDI. We had a nice run on LSDI, didn't we, Christina?
Yes, you sure did.
Yep.
Damn, Christina, you sound like you need a cigarette.
I do. I'm in Walmart. I got 20 contracts with Walmart and I'm up $160 right now on that one.
There it is. There it is.
And just did some Apple puts also.
There it is. That'll pay for that carton of cigarettes. Done.
I do need some cigarettes. I don't have any. Oh.
One trade will pay for your carton of cigarettes. American Dream Trading.
Coach, Walmart is actually hitting that level that you carved out.
Yeah, absolutely. At 64.
Yep.
Yeah. Now, Dawn, make sure you don't make a video on that because we'll get in all sorts of troubles. We do not condone smoking of these cigarettes here. Okay, everybody be cool.
LFD and smoking butts and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
Also, on Walmart, it didn't pull back with everybody else. That's a real bullish
that's
sign.
super bullish. Yeah, great point, Ted. Yeah, that's a great point. Yep, it was unaffected by market movement, which is really good.
Actually, Walmart was way down, and it when everything went down, it came up. It spiked up, so
Yep.
it was way back. Yeah.
Yep. Don't forget, Christine, at those Nicorette gum and patches are over on aisle 16. Make sure you
Oh,
set
that's
yourself
bad for your
up.
teeth, bad
Yep.
for your mouth.
Set
I go for
yourself
the
up
stuff
with
right
some-
straight to the lungs, coach. Straight to the lungs. That's what I want.
Daniel, you got your hand up and you've been extremely patient. For you being so patient today and today only, if you head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com, you go to our merchandise store, you too can get yourself one of these shiny brand new American Dream Trading stickers that has people helping people on the bottom. It only will require 14 easy payments for shipping and handling, but we'll send it to you. It'll be there within 30 business days.
Thank you.
Yep, go ahead. What can we help you
Yeah,
with?
good coach. On that Tesla example you had,
Uh-huh.
let's say you were waiting for the crossing above the 200.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
How do you enter that? Do you put a limit order above it, and as soon as it breaks, you go where, or wait for a break back, or how do you handle that?
Great point. If you're trading shares, you can put a buy limit up here. So it'd be a stop limit. You can do that up here. If you're doing contracts, wait for it to hit that spot and go ahead, right? Because we don't know exactly what that price will be because the gamma and everything else can change it as it's moving. So then if I'm doing options, I will wait for it to break my critical level, get in my starter position. If it continues to run, add in, et cetera, right?
Oh, okay, so you always just like a starter position first.
Correct. That's what I would
Is that like a
recommend.
50% or something?
That's what I would recommend to all of you, just to make sure it goes in your favor and clears that area confidently, right?
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I've been doing this though for over 3 decades, so I just
Right.
Yeah, but for all of you, I would highly recommend doing it that way. Brian says, I'm listening, coach. Thank you, Brian, over on YouTube. I appreciate you. Love your face. Hi, is there any education on halts? Says Diggity Risk. Diggity Risk. Head on over to the YouTube where you're at right now and type in halt, American Dream Trading, and you too will find all education videos on the halts. Yep. Oh, it's crazy how this works. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. Oh, halt strategies, risk to reward, halts on VWAP, pro stops, entries using stops and trailing stops, intro to call options with halts.
Tesla to the triple top.
Thank you. Here comes Tesla. Now real quick, and I'm going to get to that question. I wanted to show you guys something. This area right here, this 174, we wanted to wait for the break and hold above the 200. This was a double top, favorite trade pullback, down to support, which is VWAP, and a bounce. Isn't this textbook, Master Scalpers?
Yes, and it looked like a cup and an handle.
It's beautiful, coach.
Yep. I mean, that's nice, isn't it?
Yep.
So here we go again. But now look, 2-minute EWO riders, you're like, wait a minute, coach, but the whole thing has been green. I don't care. You're not set up yet for the perfect setup. We have to be patient. Patience. Daniel-san.
Patient. We have to be patient.
That's right. Oh, what did you say to me, lady? What would you say?
Oh, she's talking dirty with you, man.
I know. I'm like, whoa, saying a little something nice in my ear. You're going to make me blush. Josh, go ahead. You got your hand up.
He wants
Morning,
to
coach.
that bad.
Go ahead.
On that same topic about, the 2-minute EWO, but you're at a strong support or resistance line. Can you take a quick look at Apple?
You betcha. Look at that triple top on Tesla right here at 174 pullback. Jeez, oh, Pete's just.
You're sitting at 190 and also pre-market level, so I wouldn't touch it.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, I was
We're sitting in a very defined channel right now, 190, 191.
Yep.
We're right in the middle, it looks like. Because when I put my hand up, I was going to ask, this was when the 2-minute red was flashing. And I was going to get it, but I saw it's hidden. I mean, there's I see 3 support lines. There's the 200 MA, there's 190, and then there's your pre-market low. So I didn't get in it. I'm just, right now we're in the middle of a channel, looks like.
Yep. Can you guys all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yep. There's no diddle in the middle, okay?
Diddle in the...
There's no diddle in the middle. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you,
Second
David.
green.
Go ahead, sorry.
Second green on shop.
Thank you. Great job, Dave. Way to break that down, David. That's just absolutely amazing. Love your face.
Thank you, sir.
Love it, 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 love it. Love it. So does Christineth. Christineth loves it. While she's over at Walmart shopping, trading stocks to buy those cigarettes. She wants those cigarettes, Pall Mall non-filters.
Yeah, that's gross.
How much is the cart in it? $1,500?
Yeah, what is a
Cowboy
cart?
killer.
What
I
is
have
a
no
cart?
clue.
now? Oh,
I don't buy a carton. In fact, lately I only smoke like 2 cigarettes a day, if even that.
oh, wow.
I don't even have any cigarettes since yesterday. I gotta go buy some.
Oh boy.
Coach,
That
I
make
think
me wanna
Jess'
smoke,
grandma
talking about it so
smoked
much.
those.
How much are cigarettes now, Dawn?
I have no idea.
$10 for a pack.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
$10 a
Jesus,
pack?
I knew they were gonna end up getting there.
$10?
And I remember saying, when they get to $1 a pack, I'll quit. I was a teenager.
$10?
Yep, $10 for a pack.
What the?
When I did smoke for the few years that I did, they were like $6 or $7 a pack.
Oh
Yeah.
This
my.
was back in the early 2000s.
Good Lord, that's not a lot of money.
Is there still 20 in a pack, or they shrink?
Yeah.
Shrinkflation. Yeah.
Remember that one emergency one in the glass, you gotta break it.
Yep. They're half sized. You get 10.
Box full of air.
Yeah, and you get 10 in a pack.
They're like little bubblegum cigarettes. now.
Exactly. Oh my gosh. I smoked, just so you guys know, I smoked for I think 16 years. 16 years.
Me too.
Yep.
And Coach, remember you used to bum cigarettes off, and people would be like, now it's like, can you give me 50 cents?
Yeah, I'd be like, can you write me a check?
Coach,
Right?
I smoked for 6 years, and I started at 30 and stopped at 36.
Oh, you are a late bloomer. Why the hell would you pick up such a
My
nasty...
mother, she said the same. Why the hell would you
Yeah,
wait till
that's
you were
way
30 to
late
start
in the
smoking?
game to try to kill yourself.
Well, to be fair, she was trying to hang out with the cool kids.
Oh, that's true.
I was.
Yeah. No, it's okay. I get it. Peer pressure and all that. I understand.
Actually, it was a chick I was after.
Well,
The
see,
lead
I
says
knew it.
Marbles.
I knew it. You hear that? You
She's
hear
a
that?
smoker, so I kept bumming cigarettes off of her to just to
Dawn.
bum to her,
Oh.
and ended up smoking.
Don, you and I have so much in common.
I used to always bum cigarettes off my girlfriends back then, and they always had Cool Kings.
Yeah.
Listen, man, it has to be. If you grew up in my area, you had to have a menthol. And if you don't know what that means, I don't know what to tell you. Stop living in the suburbs. But when you live where I live, yeah, it's always
Coach, the brand was Basics and they were menthol.
Yep.
Back then, it was the Newports, right?
Yeah, Newports.
Newports, Cools, and Basic.
Live with pleasure.
Yep.
New pimps.
Now my jam was Marlboro Lights forever. I went through phases like all the cool kids, Marlboro Reds, and you had to get the Marlboro.
That's what I smoke, Marlboro Lights all the time.
Marlboro Lights in the hard box,
Ultra
man.
Lights.
That's the only
Yep,
way
hard
you
box.
can get them.
Yep.
Yeah, it's the only
That was the
way.
Cowboy Killers.
Yep.
I smoke
Winston
those too.
100s.
I'll smoke a Marlboro Red if they don't have my lights, but I always smoke Marlboro
Oh,
Lights.
boy.
I think Jen smoked Marlboro Lights when she smoked. She doesn't smoke anymore.
I knew that show was bullshit. All they talk about is smoking.
Smoking.
They're just smoking the cracks.
And there was always
Smoking crack.
there was always one guy with a cigarette and a dip in his lip and a patch in his arm and like shit hanging out of the side of his head
While he's eating.
like you think you're overdoing it just a little bit.
Yeah. Like, yeah, you're gonna be in big trouble later. Spy, by the way, look at Spy broke above our pre-market setup at 530.49. Everybody see that?
Yeah, Coach. And look,
Yes.
Google's been unbelievable today.
Unfazed. Yeah,
Hey,
that's
Coach.
yes.
On NVIDIA, it's working its way back over VWAP again.
Let's take a look. I see it. Yep. So it found support at, we had this level marked. Yeah, 943.71. Yeah, just wait for the break of VWAP if you're planning on scalping that, right? Wait for the break and hold of VWAP. Hold on, let me see if there's a critical level. Remember, everybody, before you ever click buy on anything, go back in time, make sure it's legit. Yeah, look at this. So right here, this is exactly what I'm talking about. So if you were like, I'm going to buy this. Hold on, I got mics open. Hold on one second. So just like this, even on the scalp, you're like, I'm going to buy this as soon as it breaks and holds VWAP. But the problem is you have a major level of resistance at 952.79. See it? It's way back here too. So if I buy here, thinking I'm going to be in the gravy train, which is only 10 cents to here, and then it knife drops on me, and I'm like, well, I don't know why that didn't work out. Pay attention to your areas, right? That's a key critical area. Remember what I always say, before you click buy, go back in time. You need to see what's going on over here.
How far back is a good distance to go?
Until you get data, partner.
Okay.
Yep. And then obviously the more times it hits throughout time, the more weight it gives it, right? If it touches it a ton of times, I consider that a gold level, meaning it was once or is a key level of support and or resistance, depending on where it's coming from, right? So you combine all of these things together. Here we go. NVIDIA, as long as this stays above 952, it's like 952.80-ish, then you're golden to the upside, trying to make new high a day, right? But again, this is actually the spot you want. 952.80 break and hold. There you go. That's a nice long candle. See it?
Yep, and if you're looking at AMD, that's great guidance right there as well.
Yep, let's take a peek. Yeah, oh yeah. AMD on a double top.
Is SPY kind of a triple top?
Let's take a look. So anyways, you guys trade the trade. Make sure you have your stops. You know what to do. Let's see. SPY. No, SPY's beyond the triple, which was around 530.60. See it?
Hey.
Yeah, no, SPY's bullish. And it's green. It flipped red to green on SPY.
Bob, a new high a day.
Thank you.
The ribbon's expanding on the trading view indicators too. Looks good.
Oh, smart. If you're a VIP member, you have access to all that, right? And you're about to flip over on NVIDIA, right? So that's going to be another key area if you flip. Qs are up nice. So is SPY. Nice, nice. Baba continuing to climb. Great call outs on that Baba. Very nice. Very nice. Real quick, station identification. It's 10:25, and then Mike, I'll get to your question. If you guys are interested in joining us, make sure you head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. If you guys are interested in any of our memberships, they start out at $50 a week, which is crazy, by the way. As long as we have interest in that program, I'll continue to run it. And as soon as we don't, I will not have it anymore. It's just a test run just to see if we can get more people interested, get you involved, get you in here, get you learning, right, at the cheapest price point we could possibly get you to, meaning cheaper than anybody else that is out there that is worth their grain of salt anyways. So hopefully get on over there. Head in there. VIP memberships, of course, $2,500 per year. Get you all sorts of training, though. VIP is where it's at. But our regular paid memberships, you'll be able to join us immediately. We have over 500 people that are live here. Right now, it gets you the pre-market setup, the IPO center, the hot stock picks, videos on demand, and everything else that's going on in here. By the way, speaking of VIP, any VIP members make money this morning before the market even opened inside of our VIP early room? Go ahead.
Yes, sir, I did.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Quick. Thank you, coach.
Sorry, got to get a drink of water.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah, it is. I'm a big boy, though, right?
No, you slept.
Coach, Tesla quadruple top.
Okay, thank you. But anyways, again, if you guys are interested, head on over. We'd love to see you over here. We'd love to start working with you. VIP Gold, if you guys need weekend training, extra support, news, breakout rooms. How about this? What do you guys think of that news service that we have? VIP Gold members?
Continuing
It's phenomenal. I went through it. It's amazing. Mark's got everything in there. Earnings. I mean, everything about companies, everything.
Yeah, it's holy crap.
A lot there. Just skim through it, pick what you like, and
Economic calendar, so you know who's speaking and when.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's absolutely.
Read it every night.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I love hearing that.
Who just said that? Read it every night.
CFBP.
There you go.
CFBP. Tell me a little bit about that, because it's great to hear other voices here. What do you like best about it?
All the information of the previous day or the same day, and then what's coming ahead of us.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's got everything in. I mean, we have that earnings channel. It's got an earnings section, and you can anticipate what's coming up in the next week.
It's got IPOs, earnings, breakout stocks, highs, lows, news and information, right, of what's happening, when it's happening, why it's happening. I mean, and I'm being dead serious, by the way. Mark does such a good job. I don't know if you guys know this. Some of you may not. People spend, and I'm not kidding, $2,000 to $10,000 a year alone on a news service, an aggregated news service that compiles everything and puts it right in your face. People pay a lot of money for that. I am not kidding at all. Mark, great job on that. I wish more people would take advantage of that, because it is insane.
Coach.
It's beautiful. You're a beautiful person. I don't care what Dawn says. I think you're a beautiful person. Until you start twerking in the morning in our VIP room, it gets kind of awkward.
I'm too old for that. I'm liable to break a hip.
I was going to say, but we
Come
put
on,
up
you're
with it.
Twerk McSee, man.
Yep, Twerk McSee, but we put up with it because you have such good news service. Okay? It's a give and take right there. It's a give and take. 2 hands up. Mike, go ahead. You want to know how to twerk like Mark McSee? Or
I'm not a twerker, coach.
Okay. Or you have a different question? Okay, go ahead. All right. Listen, we were going to
Okay,
have a
anyways.
training video. Yep.
I got a question about the yield max.
Okay.
So I got a good solid position in it. So would it be a good idea or a bad idea to wait till dividends and then sell off the profit and wait for the dip? Or just leave it alone?
Leave it alone if it's leave it alone always for everything, as long as it's a long-term hold. We never touch them. We just dollar cost average in, right?
Okay.
Yep, because you'll lose your ass off if you're trying to chase dividends and yields and all sorts of crap. You guys will end up behind the 8 ball on that. D-Max, go. It won't be good.
Yeah, hey, Coach.
Yep.
When we're looking at SPY, we're like in a record area now. What are you using for support and resistance? Like even numbers above 25, the MA 200s out there. What are you using for information?
That's a great point. I start looking at I'll look at depending on what the price of the stock is. So SPY, of course, we can use every dollar whole number or 50 cents. So in this case, every 50-cent move, you know to look out for it. Another great indication too on SPY, if you're going to look at it, something like that, is if you start looking at that average true range, right, which is about, 41 cents if you look at the 15-minute, or if you go a little bit slower time frame, 30 cents. This too will also give you an idea of how much it's moving on how many candles, right? That will kind of help you as well. But just a general rule of thumb, because of where it's at, every 50 cents, pay attention to it, right?
Okay. And then I guess just the normal like intraday channels, if you find, bumps if you scalp, obviously.
Yep, absolutely. See, like right here, you see this 530 that I have marked in gold? Now, obviously, there was a bunch of previous information over there, but look, it did it again here, and it did it again here. So 530 is the lower of my channel, and 530.78 is the upper of my channel. Why? Because it gave it to us here, 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 and here. This is my channel. This is where I live until it breaks one or the other, and then I will see by what the candle does, where's my next channel if we are talking about scalping. Make sense?
Yes, it does. And since we are talking about scalping, you're using the wicks right there because of the number of your body, right?
Well, I can use a combination of both, but yes, in this situation, I use the wicks because because the wicks are what gave me the information. But again, I could use the bodies right here too. See the bodies?
That's right, because they're all very tight.
Yep. So it really depends on what's happening. I mean, you can see it here and here. And now look at what this did as we drew this out, right? This was our channel. This is support. This is resistance. Resistance, support, until it tells us otherwise, right? Up, down, see it?
That's right. And Coach, would you consider using a take profit if it's this tight? I know we don't normally do that, but would you consider that?
You
on
could,
the automatic settings?
yeah, you could. So here's what sometimes, not usually, if I'm going to do something small, I'll set it up like this. I'll use a stop loss and a take profit. That way, if it does hit close to where I want, I'm here, and I also have a stop trigger, right, in case it does something I don't want. And what's nice with Webull is you can hand manipulate these. So you can move your stop around wherever you want, and you can move your take profit wherever you want. So those can be adjusted live on the fly after you set them up.
Right, by dragging.
Yep.
Now, do you have a better chance of getting your, like if you're working that narrow channel, if you have a take profit, do you have a better chance of it executing rather than you trying to quickly catch the top of the wick, or is it
Yes, only because of the manual situation, right? Because if you already have the order placed, there might be a delay. It might have actually hit this number, but you didn't see it happen because it just didn't pop up yet over here. Because remember, there is a slight delay between what's really happening and then the information Webull and your other people are getting, unless you're paying for like Interactive Brokers, Lightspeed, etc. And even then there's a little delay. But with this, there's a bigger delay. It might have actually hit it. You never saw it, but the system did, and it hit the trigger to sell it to make that money, and you would have never known, right?
Right.
So,
right.
yep.
Okay.
So automation is always better than manual because it's already there. Yep.
Yeah, the only thing that I guess could hurt you is if you get like one of those really quickly rising candles and you would have won, you just short yourself out of that potential profit.
That's
right?
correct.
So
That's
like
correct.
Inside.
Yeah, that's why I hate using a take profit. That's why I absolutely hate it. So in this situation, let's say, because right here's our new channel. We already knew it. We already had it marked. It's right here. So let's say right here, and I'm like, okay, great. If it gets to here, I'm going to take profit, right? Because coach says get in early. I want to get it before everybody else is sitting there. Okay, great. So you take profit right here. It sells all of them, and then it goes...
Right.
Right? And then it makes new high a day, climbs as big. You know what's funny? You'll see all these, right, gurus that are talking about that garbage. We make 100 times more than those fake ass gurus, by the way. Ask our millionaires in here. If they listened to those gurus, they wouldn't make 10% of what they made in this room, right? It's all a bunch of bullshit. So if you see people talking about that kind of crap, it's bullshit. Now, will I take some off the table at an area where I think? You bet your ass, and that is my shedding technique, right? If I see a key critical level that continues to like bounce off that, you bet your ass I'll get rid of some there, right? Hell yes, because it's harder to break through, and I want to take some of that profit. I don't need to get all the way out, but if I started here and it hit right here and I took half, well, guess what? I can come all the way back down to here again, right?
Right.
I already made money. So that I will do, but I will never, right here, it's at the position. No way in hell would I go take profit, which you would have did here before it. Because guess what? Now it wants to just go screaming memeing here, right?
That's right. And I guess, too, if it makes that really fast run, that's when you get your big returns, too.
That's correct. That's gamma on options, but yes.
That's right.
Yep. And we have a full video that we just released yesterday. Hint, hint. Nudge, nudge. Wink, wink.
Dow Jones, 40,000. Dow Jones, 40,000.
Wow. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh, what do you know? There goes SPY. Didn't that touch our exact key critical level up here, everybody? Isn't that exactly where I said off of those wicks? Can you see it? Oh, what do you know? Yeah, you can see it. Yep. Yep, you saw it. All right, what time is it? 10:38. Starting to get time for me to not be here anymore. Scott, you got your hand up. Go ahead. Scott wants to know where you get this handy dandy sticker. Am I right, Scott?
Yes, I want that sticker.
Done. Done.
So I need a crying session. I need some help
Sure,
on
go ahead.
something.
Yep.
So I'm pretty consistent at being wrong, it seems like, but
Oh, nice.
that's why I'm here.
Yep.
And every time I'm wrong, I usually figure out why.
Okay.
So it's not like I just hate myself. So I'm
Sure.
trying to, can you look at AMD for me and
Yep.
tell me if this was a wrong move? Because I do this a lot. And so what I did was it broke this double top at 163.75.
Okay.
So as soon as it broke and held.
Oh, right here. Okay. Yep.
I was in a call.
Uh-huh.
And here we are. And I'm still in the call. And obviously we're not doing good.
That's the mistake. Okay, I already got you. You ready?
Yep.
So the mistake is that you allowed this nice, beautiful, ginormous green trade to go red, right?
Right.
Because if you bought this here, 163.75, and it went up to 164.20, this is a nice trade, right? Even, that's a good, probably 15, maybe 20%. That's a nice trade. Then what happened is it started to stair step down. You're holding. Now you're going red. You're holding, bigger red, bigger red, bigger red. This is a huge level gold. If this breaks here, this is going to knife drop worse than anything you've ever seen in your life. So
I think it sounds like I'm
here.
I've talked to you about this before.
Yep.
And I think, again, I have a small account. So it's like I tend to, I see
all or
that double
nothing.
top and I'm like, let's ride this all day and make money.
I got you.
And I should have scalped it.
Yes.
Just
in
and out.
Well, no, if you got a small account, you should be trading the 2-minute EWO, and you should be in the Apple gang or the Ford gang, right? If you have a small account, scalping AMD is pretty dangerous. This is really expensive. This is one of the most expensive stocks in the market you can buy, right?
Yeah.
Soxel is your friend on a small account. See Soxel?
So it was weird. I bought Soxel, honestly, almost identical timeline as AMD.
Yep.
But it never moved. Like Soxel, I didn't really make anything. It lost like 7% and I just cut it.
Yep. That's because it doesn't have, right? Now here's what's crazy. There's 3 times the range on Soxel versus NVIDIA and everything else. That means for every penny that NVIDIA or AMD would move, it moves 3 cents. It is a 3 times. So believe it or not, Soxel, all of you, has a much greater chance of making you money than NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, Taiwan, all of that crap, SMCI. You have 3 times more money-making power off of Soxel for a lower amount. Did you guys know that?
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Soxel is your friend, especially on small accounts, if you like AMD, NVIDIA, etc.
Okay.
Yep, there is way
And I
more
usually,
money to be made.
honestly, the only green trading I think I have is always Apple. So I don't even know why I leave it. But I saw the double top and I was like, hey, let's make some money. And so I really didn't do a bad thing. I just didn't get out when I should have.
That's
the
correct.
trade was right.
Yep.
It was the exit was wrong.
Yeah, and
Wait
right,
a minute.
And hold on one sec. And right here, you waited till it broke this wick, where actually it was this body. See these bodies?
Yeah.
This is where the buy is, because the sellers pushed them back down to this body. So this is why I have it leveled in gold here. This is actually the move, right? So this is where you wanted to wait for it to break above. This is the move. Yep. Just like right here. So it stayed above. So this is support, right? So it went all the way up. This is where your profits are. It came back down, right? It tried to break through and it could not break through and hold. And now we're getting a pop back up where it will try to make new high a day again. You can see sellers have pushed it down, but this is a very small interim. Again, if it can't hold this level, because of this candle, let me show you. This is what you guys all need to be thinking about this constantly and forever. If this cannot hold look at this. See this? This is what's going to happen. This is why I said if it cannot break and hold, or if it cannot hold support at this 163.44-ish, you're going to have this, right?
Right.
So again, your entry was okay, but you're doing a lot of things that you're going to struggle with. Too big a position size. You're trading in one of the largest accounts that there are. You're trying to scalp, which is the hardest thing there is to do, right? You see how everything is going against you right now, right, partner?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
And then I look at when I got out, and of course, here we are again.
Yeah, but
Coach,
the thing
also
is,
chasing the tops, right?
But the thing is you should have got out here when you were up, not waited till
Yeah.
you were down. Do you see what I mean? Because then you put yourself in a vulnerable position where you should have just made money. Because even if it came back here to go flat, you should have been, this doesn't look good. Why is this pulling back? Where are my levels at? What should I be looking at? Right?
Yeah.
So,
Absolutely.
yep,
Okay.
yep.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Great question, though. And I know it sucks, but hopefully I helped you and a lot of other people because trust me, a lot of people will be in that same position. Scalping everybody is very hard. Scalping options is even harder. So the best thing to do when you're got your training wheels on or you're using a small account, go with small priced stocks, go with shares only. Go with 2-minute EWO because it's going to help you with a couple things. It's going to help you minimize risks. It's going to help you to get that, the time you need in front of the screen. So you're getting a lot of screen time. It's going to have a slower developing move so you can start to understand the ebbs and flows of what these things do. Look at right here. AMD is on a double top. So right here, wouldn't this have been a great spot to collect your money because you already knew it pulled back from here, right? But if you're not a master scalper, you might not know that. You might not know, hey, this is where I need to shed or get out. We do because it's already giving us every one of these indications. This is the channel, right? And we knew that because we're master scalpers. And we know exactly what to do, don't we, master scalpers? Because if you don't, you're not allowed to do it, right?
Yeah, and Coach, I think the biggest mistake I see people make is that they kind of combine, they hold these scalps
Yes.
longer than they need to be. So your attention span really should just be a few candles.
Oh yeah. Just so you guys know, if I go in heavier on a scalp, it can be with under 3 seconds. If I go in a heavy scalp, 3 seconds maximum.
Bingo.
All I need is one candle. One, if I bought here and a candle, and then right here it paused, I'm out.
People make the mistake that they think the other candles are going to be just as productive.
Right, and they're not.
They're not.
Yeah.
The majority of the gain, right? If you're
That's
playing
right.
probability,
Yep.
majority of the gain is in that first candle.
That's right. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and this is the push, right? This is the big gamma push right here. This is the money. So if you sell it when it stops or slows down, you make your money. But guess what? If you even wait for it to pull back to here. So maybe right here you were up, $100, right? We'll say this is $100 if you sold the second it stops, because I always do that. And you always hear me say I do that. But if I wait till it pulls back to here, this thing can be $0 or $10. So the difference between I made an ass load of money or not is selling it when it peaked on that nice speed run, or waiting for it to go back and go, oh, I guess I didn't get it. And then you're red or you made nothing, right? It's that quick. It is that quick. Otherwise, you go in smaller positions, starter positions, on support and resistance levels. We watch it go up. We sell them off. We see if it comes down. It did. It reversed correction, sold off, broke above, back in my calls. Here we go, and my stops below. That way, no matter what, I'm good to go because your channel was broke. We already said if this is your channel, we trade it until it breaks one way or the other, and then go the other way, and now you're making money again. And if you can't do all this, if you can't think this fast, if it's not clicking, if you don't understand and you don't, right here, sell. You see the difference? Giant candle, sell it. Mine. My money. Oh, but coach, I was going to wait and see if it was going to continue to run and make another $8 million. Wrong. You're scalping. Hope that makes sense. Great question, by the way. I'm losing my voice, so I really got to go. Freddie, last two, and my voice is almost completely gone. I don't know if you can hear it. It's going quick. Freddie, go.
Hey, coach. Can you go to Tesla one moment, please?
Sure.
Tesla right now is on like triplet top on the market, but the middle top hit the pre-market high is 175.06.
Yep.
Do you call that quadruple top, including the pre-market high?
That is correct. Every time it touches, it's something, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and it's
Okay.
huge because it's pre-market high. It has even more weight. There's even more weight here.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you, coach.
Pre-market high and previous day high are massive resistance, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now,
Thank
if you
you, coach.
guys, if you look at this, and you guys, we were talking about the 2-minute EWO on Tesla, right? Let's look at this trade. I told you back here, don't touch this. Yes? It pulled back, it came up. It pulled back, it came up. I told you at 10 o'clock, stay away from this. Did I or did I not?
Yes, you did, Coach.
Good. And I told you to wait for the break of what?
200.
Yep. If you did that, you made money. If you didn't, you were in all of this damage. See it? That is what I'm talking about, right? And this is what David is also helping you guys with Apple. We are waiting for a nice setup. You don't need to make every trade. Oh, coach, but you said the 2-minute EWO as long as there's one higher than the other. Yeah, but look at where you're at. Wait. This is 10 cents. This is literally 10 cents you had to wait for. If you would have got in that, you'd have been up and down. Oh, I'm losing money. Oh, I'm almost break even. Oh, I'm losing money. Oh, I'm break even. Now you're in it, right where I said. Make sense? Good. Because a lot of you can't even stomach the pain. You'll get in it, and then you'll sell it for a loss. And then you'll get in it again, and then you'll sell it for a loss. Then you'll get in it again. This time it's definitely not going to go up. You'll get out, and then it'll run. You lost 4 times. You're like, oh, my gosh. I know I'm looking at a lot of you right now. You can raise your hand. I see you. I know. Jay Brew, go ahead.
I was just going to point out that AMD has previous 2021 highs at 164.50.
Okay, thank you. Nice calls. So here again, AMD, we had a critical level, 163.44. It bounced up out of this channel. Boom, there you go, new high a day. Nice job. All right, I'm going to take off. Thank you again, everybody, for being here. Hopefully you learned something or you made some money. Did anybody make any money today?
Thank you, Coach.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2,500.
Yes, coach.
Yes, coach.
I
Yes,
can't
Coach,
trade,
thank
but
you.
Hey,
Coach.
Coach.
Yes.
Thank you, coach.
Nice job.
Quick question. On that AMD, there's just a huge influx of 170 calls on AMD. How do you read that kind of activity when something like that happens?
So that's right. So that's a high options activity that you're looking at. And Benzinga and some other paid services will actually show you that. That just means that there are people that are really heavily towards the long side right now, which makes sense, right? It broke 164. So that's the only thing. Now, I don't put a ton into that unless I'm planning on buying a ton. If I'm in here buying 1,000, which I've done before, 1,000 options in AMD, which is going to be about $500,000 or so. If I'm looking at that, I do like seeing that, right? That high options activity, because it's also giving me the confidence that, hey, I'm not the only one. More people see what I see, but I don't need to rely on that in any way at all, because I already know. I show you guys what to do with it. Make sense? But yeah, if you start doing high amounts, I like using that. Basically, I use that like an L2 for options, right? So if I see a high volume of activity, then I'm like, hey, yep, it makes sense. That's what I like to see. You know what I mean? If I see 1,000 puts come flying in out of nowhere and I'm like, wait a minute, right? Because here's the other thing that you guys don't realize, or you may or may not realize. Believe it or not, calls and puts, it looks like a calls and puts actually also control the market. They're not supposed to. They're not supposed to at all. It's only supposed to be driven just by shares. But I'm telling you right now, calls and puts weigh heavily on the algos on what's going on.
And what makes me wonder, Coach, is does it make sense to try to make sure that you're under the huge crowd that's coming at 170 and maybe do an exercise price lower?
Yeah, and that's why I said, that's why I kind of use it like an L2, right? So if I
Right,
see,
exactly.
yeah,
Okay,
yep,
good.
yep, I use it just like an L2. But again, I usually only reserve that if I'm going really big, a $500,000, $1 million style trade. Hell yeah, I'm watching that, right? Then it's when it makes a lot of sense. If I'm doing 10, 100, 200 contracts, it doesn't mean squat. If you think about it, if you look in here, that would be like me, looking at 100 shares when really we know where the big boys and girls are sitting. You know what I'm saying? So treat it like an L2. Yep. For options. Great question, Ted. Okay.
Coach, those 170 calls yesterday, Coach, were 9 cents and they just hit 49.
Yeah, that's crazy, right?
Actually, Coach, I have to give credit to Chris. He asked the question. I just wanted to clarify it.
Oh, well, there you go. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. Okay. I'm out of here. Love your faces. I want to say thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke, Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you here every day. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I was reading at the same time I was talking. Don't do that. I was going to answer some questions on TikTok while I... Woo. All right.
Thanks, man. Have a good day.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you guys again for another amazing day. Don't forget, if you guys want to join us, head on over AmericanDreamTrading.com and we'll get you set up with something real nice. If you guys need any help desk support, make sure you click on that help desk, click the envelope, create a ticket. We have almost 20 moderators standing by. Moderators, great job. All my creators, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Let's continue to get better. Let's continue to watch those analytics. Let's keep driving this machine, getting to more and more and more and more people, helping as many people as we can until God someday will put me in the ground. But it will have on my tombstone, right? People helping people. Or if you guys remember the movie, it'll say Friends. Can anybody tell me what movie that is? Go ahead real quick. Anybody?
What's it say, Friends?
It just says Friends on the tombstone. Emilio Estevez. I'll help you out a little bit. It just says Friends on the tombstone. Anybody?
Repo Man?
Rico Suave or something?
Nope.
Seinfeld? Young Guns.
There it is. Young Guns. Great job.
Oh, that was a good one, too.
Yep. And all it says on his tombstone is Friends. Nice job. All right, I'm out. Love your faces. Everybody be cool. I'll see you guys in the aftermarket. Make sure you guys tune in 5 o'clock. That'd be great. Thank you again, Bruno. Safe travels, my friend. Love your face. I appreciate you. I appreciate what everybody is doing here. I'm going to see you guys again. Same coach time, same coach channel tomorrow. Be ready to rock and roll. I'm out.
Later on, Tampon.
Later.
Peace.
After a while, crocodile.
Thank you, Coach.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Thank you.
You got it.
See you, Coach.
See ya. Great job.
Video.